whatever. Just look at your map. You
I
know?
do like Demolition, but if you guys aren't interested, we can switch.
I don't mind.
Yeah, I'm cool with
I,
whatever.
I normally play search, but
It's search and destroy with respawns.
Yeah,
That's the way I see it. Also, I'm
Honestly,
lagging
this
my
is pretty
ass
fun.
off right now.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. So
Competitive,
far.
ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna plant this shit so fast. I'm gonna plant this shit so fast.
You have one up there with you. I was trying to run with you, but kind of got smashed.
Planning on Bravo too.
W, double plant, double plant. Oh, now they're tweaking. Now they're shivering in me timbers.
I think we got a winner. Like, this is... If we lose this, we should
We should uninstall.
uninstall.
No kidding.
I'm not kidding, though. Like, we have an advantage, too.
There goes one.
They might have Bravo diffused.
Oh, I got it. I got it. I'm
No.
oh, it's good. We're chilling. We
There
don't have
goes
time.
two.
I knew it was close. That's why I said that.
Flawless, flawless round. Amazing round, people. Amazing round.
Turn around.
Yeah.
You know, and then
Vendetta, we've talked about this.
What?
About you being above me. It's not okay.
Would you like to be a? Never mind.
Mm. Watch your words there, buddy.
Vendetta, we're in a case. IBC, you can't say it here.
I paused. I paused.
I know. You were gonna.
The fellas
I
get
know.
the fellas.
I know what you were gonna say. I know what you were gonna say.
You know what I'm gonna say?
Oh.
That you approve this message that I was saying. All right, that works too.
How the fuck did they get a UAV?
It's PG. I
Oh
think.
my god, they're all pushing me. Stadium.
Where the fuck is this you at? Am
Just
I dumb?
right.
I can't fucking see it.
It's probably in stadium.
There's two guys down there. All right. Wherever you're at right now defending, you're gonna stay there. So we don't have everybody on the same bomb.
I can't not find this UAV, so I can't shoot it down.
Skill issue.
It already went.
Skill issue, honestly. It is a skill issue. I can't find it.
Why am I
and-
spawning directly on Bravo?
Oh, one's going to stadium.
Yep. You gonna push this? You probably didn't push this.
It looks like Bravo's gonna be defended easily.
How did I get double chowed there? Oh my god, there's two chow and A.
They see me rolling. They be hating. Catch me riding dirty.
I need him to plant a bomb, so I can drop this nuke. Thank you. I like them to have a round.
What's your bets on 8?
Oh my god.
I can't believe they actually planted on Bravo.
Yeah, it's because I was on my RCXD.
Well, the only reason I'm saying that is because I spawned directly on Bravo like 3 times in a row.
Ah,
They got
I was gonna
alpha.
knife him.
Yes, yes, I need these.
Oh, there's somebody up in our window.
To the window. To the wall. Alright.
He must have just come.
I killed him.
Yeah. Get that, boy. Get that. Oh my goodness, we're cooking them.
I watch the next match is not gonna be. It's gonna be number sweats a bit.
Nah, we're KSI out here. We win these. We talking about. You guys just seem to have.
I
our
knifed
win
that
locked
cunt
down.
and it didn't hit. Oh my god.
I really wish when I slide, it actually slids. Like, we
You
actually
guys got
slide.
Bravo locked down?
No, because I literally spawned on it now. We got it.
Wait. I need him to play it. I'm about to drop. They're gonna drop it. I'm gonna drop a nuke.
Do it. Drop the
Oh.
nuke.
I'm
They're
glad
leaving.
they have to play it. Oh.
Oh.
They all left.
I mean, drop a nuke. You're like 10 off.
If I could kept going though, there's 3. I was on a good streak.
Aw, you killed the cumpet.
I did.
Wait, what?
The cumpet. That skin, the light up one, that one right there, like
I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel comfortable.
no-
You're making me uncomfortable.
I'm sorry.
No, the name is
Oh my
kind of.
gosh.
You got me with that.